Meaning of first day cover.
First day cover.
First day cover.
First day cover.
First day cover. A first day cover is an envelope or postcard that is issued by a postal authority to commemorate the first day of release of a new stamp. The envelope or postcard usually features a design related to the subject of the stamp and is cancelled with a special postmark indicating the date and location of the stamp's first day of issue. First day covers are popular among stamp collectors as they provide a unique way to own a piece of philatelic history. Collectors often seek out rare or limited edition first day covers to add to their collections.